If you want to secure profits without closing your full position, here's exactly how to take partial profit inside Tradovate. So you need to go to the Positions tab on the trading panel, find the active trade you want to partially close. This is where you'll manage your exit size. Then you right-click your position. You can do also the same thing on the phone. Select Close Position or Sell/Buy Market depending on direction. Now adjust the quantity to the number of contracts you want to close, not the full size. You can also close partial profit instantly using a market order or set a limit order at a target price. Limit orders are better if you want precise profit levels. Then you just click Place Order. Tradovate will close only that portion of your position, leaving the rest open. You'll now see reduced contracts in your positions panel. So this is how you take partial profit in Tradovate, reduce position size, choose exit type, and confirm the order for controlled trade management. Enjoy the guide and see you in the next one.